What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'll be covering Jasmy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so in general, if you look at the crypto market right now, you can see it's gotten nuked since my last Jasmy video. The crypto fear and greed index is at 37, which is fearful, and Bitcoin's all the way down here at 56,800. And I will say, this is actually a very good sight to see because Bitcoin was down a lot further. I'll go over TA at the end of the video, but you can see we've had a nice V-shaped recovery. But in general, there are a lot of fantastic discounts in the crypto market, whether you're interested in Jasmy or not. But as you can see, Jasmy is the 60th largest crypto, and it's currently trading at a price point of just under 2.5 cents, with a market cap of 1.1 billion. Now, if you look at the 1 month for Jasmy, you can see it's almost down 40%. This is a lot more than a lot of other cryptos. But I will say that's not necessarily a bad thing because Jasmy also pumped a lot harder than most cryptos. So naturally, when you pump hard, you're going to have a bigger pullback. But if you guys are looking to accumulate the dip, there's a bunch of different exchanges you can use. They're pretty much listed on everything. Now, I do also want to point out if you come over to their X account, they haven't posted anything since June 14th. But I will say this isn't unheard of for Jasmy, and the last time they went almost a month without posting, they posted something and we absolutely exploded afterwards. Because Jasmy is one of those projects where they pretty much only post when there is big news, which you can argue that that's a good thing or you can argue it's a bad thing. Some people can say it doesn't keep the community engaged, but other people can say that they mean business. But either way, the one thing you can't argue with is Jasmy's results. They have performed extremely well during this bull run. And in general, if you just type in Jasmy in the search bar, there are a lot of people still making posts about Jasmy. I love what this person said right here 18 hours ago. Jasmy, after a horrible downturn, we're still the 62nd biggest crypto by market cap. This will be a top 10 coin market. And that is very important for you to understand. Even after they are down almost 40% in the last month, they're still the 62nd largest crypto. I used to make videos about Jasmy when they were outside of the top 100. But now we'll take a look at some macro news that could possibly impact the crypto market. So Watcher Guru just posted 23 hours ago, Donald Trump could spark a Bitcoin rally in the second half of the year if elected president. And I think a lot of people in crypto are counting on this. So it'll be something to keep your eyes on for sure. And then they haven't really posted anything since July 4th when they posted Bitcoin falls under 55,000 for the first time since February. And $110 million were liquidated from the crypto market in the past 60 minutes. But basically, there are two reasons that a lot of people think Bitcoin's dumping right now. The first one is that they think the German government is selling a bunch of Bitcoin. And then the other thing is all the Mt. Gox news. So whether or not those are actually the reason that crypto's dropping, who knows? But at the end of the day, that's what most people believe right now. But while we are on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, you guys will get closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And we have been making some enormous gains in here. For example, I posted my first buy alert for Hoppy at a $580,000 market cap on April 21st, and it is currently sitting over a $70 million market cap. That is over 100x. And as most of you guys know, I also called Trump on base at a $73,000 market cap, which ran up to over a $17 million market cap, which is over a 200x. Just to put that in perspective, if you invested $1,000, both of those projects would have made you over 100K. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to have you guys in here. Now, for the final part of this video, we'll go over some technical analysis. And I'm going to be honest, Jasmy and Bitcoin are very similar, so I'm pretty much just going to go over Bitcoin. But if you look at Jasmy right now, the RSI and stochastics are both extremely overbought. And you could argue that we're forming some sort of a rising wedge. That doesn't necessarily give me confidence that Jasmy is about to skyrocket. So what I would like to see for Jasmy is that it starts to flag out a little bit. And while it fills out this flag, the RSI and stochastics start to reset. And as long as we come down and we do not break beneath the 21-day or the 50-day, then we very easily could get a bounce off of these levels. However, if we do end up breaking beneath these, then expect more downside. And if we look at Bitcoin right now, again, it's a similar situation. Except surprisingly, I actually like Bitcoin a little bit more than Jasmy. It's not an exact rising wedge. And the RSI isn't near as overbought as it is on Jasmy. But same thing for Bitcoin. These indicators right here need to reset. And while they reset, we do not want to see the 21-day and 50-day get broken. Now, what I do like to see for Bitcoin is that we did close a higher local high, but I still have seen inverted M patterns play out. So you need to be cautious of a potential M pattern, even though we put in a higher high. But yeah, in general, over the last month, crypto has just taken a beat down. So eventually we will get a reversal. I'm just not entirely sure if it's going to be right now. It really depends on whether or not we can get back above the 200-day moving average. If we can get back above this level, then I wouldn't be surprised if this is the reversal. But if we can't, then expect more downside, plain and simple. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Jasmy will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.